man was shot to death by a relative at Chingamatag, Ngakraba Layrak in Imphal West. The incident took place around 9:30 a.m. The deceased was identified as Suraj Gurumayum, son of G. Gope of Chingamatag, Ngakrabam Layrak. The accused has been identified as Gurumayum Birachandra Sharma alias Molecule Sharma, son of late G. Ibopishag Sharma of Singjamay, Ngakrabam Layrak, a report said. As part of interstate border security measures, Jiribam District Police has enhanced water and foot patrolling activities along porous borders of Juri and Barak rivers since the water level of both rivers has come down. Green Planters Society GPS and Divisional Forest Officer Central RK Amarjit jointly planted 50 saplings of camphor tree today around Bir Tikendrajit International Airport under the initiative of Governor's Green Manipuri 2020. The restoration work on Irang River along Imphal-Jiribam Road remains dragged on. Notably, the Irang Bridge collapsed on the evening of November 1 when a 12-wheeler Tata Tripper tried to cross it. Haryana Health Minister Anil Vij was administered a trial dose of Bharat Biotech's potential coronavirus vaccine Covaxin yesterday. The 67-year-old politician thus became the first volunteer in the state for Covaxin's third phase trial. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP leader was administered the dose at a hospital in Haryana's Ambala cantonment area, media report said. The global tally of coronavirus cases stands at 5.78 crore, while 4.0 crore have recovered, 1.37 crore have died so far. As per media reports, the United States, the worst-hit country, has 1.22 crore cases and 2.60 lakh have died from the disease there. It is followed by India, which has 90.50 lakh cases, Brazil at 60 lakh 20,164, France with 21 lakh 9,170 cases, and Russia at 5th place with 20 lakh 39,926 cases. India is the second most hit country in the world after the United States by the coronavirus. The total confirmed case count in India has now crossed 9 million, but the daily spike in new cases is witnessing a drop. The country's death toll has mounted to 1,32,764. Armed robbers looted nearly Rs 60 lakh from a Punjab National Bank branch in Assam's Nalbari district yesterday. One person was injured in shooting during the incident. The police reported that the incident took place around 12:30 p.m. at a branch of the bank at Amayapur, nearly 7 kilometers from the district headquarters, Nalbari.